These are the tools you'll need: a flathead screwdriver, you need a ratchet, extension, and 10mm socket. First thing we want to do is take these clips out here so we can have access to behind the bumper, so we can unhook the side light and also our fog light down here. And just like most of these 300s, you should just have some clips in here, and ours just pop right out. So once we get this pulled out of the way, there's a 10mm bolt right here, and you'll need a ratchet, extension, and your socket for a 10mm bolt right up here. We'll just don't forget to turn your wheel. We don't have a lift. We're doing this in our garage on a flat surface. So you'll have to turn your tires facing in order to get to your bolt over here. On the other side, turn your tire facing in to do that. And you can probably see right here, this is the fog light. And we're just gonna unclip that. So you're just gonna unclip the fog light. And then over here is the side marker. And that just comes right out. You can see it right here. And mine had a little red clip in here, which I popped out. It was right on the bottom here. I popped that out. So now your side marker's out. So you have 4 bolts, or actually they're clips right here. Unfortunately for us, our clips did not come out as we had planned. The tops were just it was so old that they were just stuck in there. So I was able to get the tops and just bust them off, basically. So we'll have to buy 3 new clips. We have 1 that came out okay. There's 1. 2. So we got our clips off, and now we're going to take the 10mm off this side here. Okay. All right, so we're just going to do the fog light on this one. For this one, I couldn't get the clip to come off. It was a bad angle for me, so I just twisted it out as if I was going to replace the bulb. It works just the same. All right, now we're ready to pull the bumper down and out. It's easier than I thought. All right, now you take your bumper off. The 300s. They actually have a panel underneath the vehicle that prevents water and stuff from coming up. Ours happened to be removed, so you'll notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws, and one of them is still in here, that you'll have to undo. It's time to put the bumper back on. And the curb. So this will slide in right here, just like that. Okay. Same thing on this side. Let's get it up a little bit. And now put the 10mm bolt back in right up here on both sides. And now we're securing the left side with the 10mm bolt back, the bumper back into the frame. Okay, put that one in. Okay. Hope this helps. If it does, click the like button and please subscribe to our videos to see how we can help you with some more car repairs. Thanks.